Imagine connecting to both a remote weather API and a local Python assistant through a single client with just one configuration object. You'll see how FastMCP's JSON configuration transport lets you define multiple servers, each with different transport types, and call their tools with automatic namespacing. The pattern handles HTTP endpoints and local subprocesses in one unified interface, while keeping your code clean and maintainable. Config equals MCP servers, weather, URL, https://weather example com/mcp, transport, HTTP, assistant, command, Python, args/assistant py, end, log level, info, client equals client, config, async with client, hash tools a namespaced by server, weather equals await client call tool, weather get forecast, city, NYC, answer equals await client call tool, assistant ask, question, what? This demonstrates the multi-transport client pattern, where a single client interface abstracts multiple communication protocols behind a unified API. The configuration defines different server endpoints, HTTP, Subprocess, with their specific connection details, while the client handles protocol selection and connection management automatically. What makes this distinctive is the complete decoupling of transport mechanics from business logic. Your code interacts with tools the same way regardless of whether they run locally or remotely. The pattern works by treating transports as pluggable adapters that conform to a common interface. Under the hood, the client routes calls to the appropriate transport based on configuration, handling connection pooling, environment isolation, and protocol translation transparently. This creates a declarative architecture where you define what tools you need via namespaced calls rather than how to connect to them, shifting complexity from application code to framework infrastructure. This approach solves the problem of heterogeneous service integration without sacrificing maintainability. You can mix local subprocess tools for development or private logic with remote HTTP services for production or shared resources in the same workflow using identical client code. The trade-off is initial configuration complexity, but the payoff comes when scaling. Adding new services or changing transports requires no client-side changes, just configuration updates. It's particularly valuable for AI agent systems, microservice architectures, or any scenario where tool locations may change across environments. Let's break it down line by line. Config equals. This initializes the configuration dictionary that defines all MCP server connections. It centralizes server endpoints, transport methods, and execution parameters in one structured location, enabling clean separation between configuration and runtime logic. MCP servers. This defines the MCP server registry, mapping logical names to server configurations. It centralizes connection details for multiple backend services, enabling the client to route tool calls to the correct server. Weather. This defines the weather server configuration under the MCP server namespace. It groups all weather-related tools under this logical server, enabling tool namespacing and separate connection management for weather services. URL, https://weather example com/mcp. This defines the HTTP endpoint for the weather server. The URL specifies where FastMCP should route weather tool calls, establishing the connection point for remote procedure execution. Transport, HTTP. This specifies the communication protocol for the weather server. The HTTP transport tells FastMCP to use standard HTTP requests instead of subprocess execution, enabling remote server calls. Critical for distinguishing between network services and local command tools in the configuration. This closing brace terminates the assistant server configuration block, completing its definition in the MCP server's dictionary. It maintains proper JSON structure and ensures the next server configuration, if any, would start at the same nesting level. Assistant. This defines the assistant server configuration, specifying how to launch and communicate with the local assistant process. Unlike the weather service, which uses HTTP, this config declares a subprocess-based tool that runs the assistant Pi script directly, enabling local Python tool execution. Command Python specifies the executable command to launch the assistant server. This defines the process entry point for custom tool implementations, enabling non-HTTP-based services like local Python scripts to integrate with FastMCP's tool system. args/assistant Pi specifies the command line arguments for the assistant server process. This array defines /assistant Pi as the entry point script, telling FastMCP to execute this Python file when the assistant tool is called. The pattern mirrors subprocess execution, where each array element becomes a separate command line argument. And log level info. This sets environment variables for the assistant subprocess. The log level info configuration controls verbosity, ensuring the assistant logs operational details without debug noise. Critical for production debugging while maintaining clean output. This closing brace terminates the assistant server configuration block in the MCP server's dictionary. It maintains proper JSON structure, ensuring the config remains valid for the client initialization that follows. This closing brace terminates the MCP server's configuration dictionary. It finalizes the nested structure that defines both the weather API endpoint and the assistant subprocess configuration, making them available to the FastMCP client. This closing brace terminates the configuration dictionary, finalizing the server definitions for both weather and assistant services. Without it, Python would raise a syntax error, as dictionary literals require explicit closure. Client equals client config instantiates the FastMCP client with the server configuration. This single client manages all connections to both the weather and assistant MCP servers defined in the config, handling transport specifics and connection pooling automatically. Async with client. Context Manager pattern for async resource handling. The async with ensures the client connection is properly initialized and cleaned up after use, preventing resource leaks. This is the standard way to manage async client lifecycles in FastMCP. Hash tools are namespaced by server. Weather equals await client call tool, weather get forecast, city, NYC. This invokes the weather get forecast tool on the weather server, passing NYC as the city parameter. The server namespace in the tool name, weather prefix, routes the call to the correct MCP server defined in the config, ensuring isolation between different service domains. Answer equals await client, call tool, assistant ask, question, what? This invokes the assistant task tool on the assistant server, passing the question as a dictionary payload. The pattern mirrors the weather call, but targets a different server namespace, demonstrating how FastMCP routes tools across multiple backends. The await handles the async RPC call, ensuring non-blocking execution while waiting for the assistant's response. FastMCP multi-server orchestration. The configuration pattern shown demonstrates how FastMCP clients seamlessly bridge multiple servers, HTTP endpoints, local processes, or even different transports under a single unified interface. Namespaced tool calls silently resolve to their respective servers, making distributed systems feel like local function calls. The tool transformation layer lets you reshape server capabilities without modifying the server itself. But remember that hidden arguments still exist in the underlying protocol. This is how you build systems where the client dictates the abstraction, not the server.
The client that sees one server controls many.